from the Baton Rouge Police Department. 2 current officers and an ex-cop indicted today, charged with abusing their power in a sex-related case. Now, Elizabeth Vowell spoke directly to the police chief. She's here with more for you. Liz?
Andre, I spoke with Chief Carl Dabadie a few hours ago. He was clearly upset by these events, but the chief said the 2 officers that are still with the department are now on administrative leave.
There's always bad apples in the group. My job as an administrator is to find those bad apples and serve them with the discipline and whatever law they may break.
Baton Rouge Police Chief Carl Dabadie reacting to accusations that officers sworn to serve and protect may have abused their power to allegedly force a sexual act from a woman. According to District Attorney Hiller Moore, officers Travis Wheeler, Emerson Jackson, and now ex-officer Isaac Bolden, on duty and in uniform, walked up to a man and woman parked at a Breck Park on Old Hammond. The cops are accused of forcing the man to leave and then coercing the woman into performing a sex act on Bolden. On Wednesday, a grand jury handed up charges of abuse of power against all 3.
Issues being consent, whether there's custody, lack of consent, coercion, those are all issues. But based on our review of the law and compared to the facts, the abuse of office was the most proper charge.
A Baton Rouge police spokesperson says Bolden quit the force before the charges were handed up. As far as officers Wheeler and Jackson, Chief Dabadie says they're off the streets for now.
We are following all of the guidelines set forth by law and by state civil service law. We've placed them on administrative leave. At this point, they have no police powers at this point, and we have set forth the civil service procedure for termination.
If convicted, the charges carry up to 5 years in jail with a 1-year minimum.
To invite, one of your own police officers, just not a good situation to be in. But, we have to do what's right for everybody, regardless of who they are.
We were able to reach out to the lawyers representing Bolden and Wheeler. Both lawyers said their clients plan to plead not guilty. Wheeler's lawyer going as far to say that his client says the charges are false. Andre?